Oh, this one. Ow! This one just, like, this is a bigger bird. He's biting my finger.
No, he does not like this spot.
Get them all the way.
Mom, how many birds do you think you got on your legs?
Hey, more birds than I can count. The parakeets don't bother me. It's this one. He's like, he's got a bigger beak.
It's like, nah, I want right there.
Fly away! They're not flying away! Gotta do the shake. They're squawking at me. Okay.
Take 1 foot up and they will all get away. Oh,
They're coming.
I don't want to hurt you, Birdie. I think they think I taste good. Look at them. Here, Benjamin. Hey, that hurts. Look, he bit me. Oh.
Fly away.
He's like, nah.
Mama, do you sticking to you, the one with the big beak?
Right, I don't want to leave.
I know one phone down. It's still on you. There's 2 still on you.
Another one's coming.
They won't get off. I can feel them. How do I get them off?
Mom, 2 are left.
Mom, what's your command? I jumped.
I think they're off.
No, what?
You need